you really have been enjoying using Jamboard, which is Google's collaboration whiteboard tool, which enables you to embed images or and do any type of annotations over that. You can also make multiple slides, just like you could in Smart Notebook or something like that, which is really phenomenal. There's lots of different tools like backgrounds for graph paper and different colors of things. You can also share this with your students or share this with others. So it becomes a collaborative workspace. And you could read a lot more about that in the Google for Education Training Center. There's a page that I'll link up in this email called Welcome to Your First Day of Jamboard. If you're not familiar with this, it's a really cool tool, especially because you can actually take those lessons and add them right to Google Classroom as assignments, and then you'd be able to give students access to either view, edit, or make a copy for each student. So collaboration becomes a lot easier if you're editing. Sharing class notes is great if you want to share a view or make a copy for each student would enable them to then do their own annotations and mark it up for an assignment. So a really cool opportunity. But what's new today that I wanted to share is that you may have seen this in your Google Meets, but inside of Google Meets, you've got an opportunity to, when you click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, you can click on the three dots, and now Jamboard is built in. And what I wanted to share about this is what's really cool is they will also automatically share with whoever's in the meeting. So if you need to do a quick annotation and talk about something or brainstorm or show some things to people without making a full lesson or planning ahead, this is a great opportunity. You can also pull open an already existing Jamboard if you're curious, if you're interested in doing that. You can click on the People tab, and you can see that I've got another person in this meeting with me in this Google Meet. But now I can click on the three dots and click on Open a Jam or Open a Whiteboard. Now, you can either choose one that you already have existing, like the math lesson I started before, or start a new whiteboard. And what's awesome about this is they will ask you right away what your access is. Do you want people to view it? Whoever's in the Google Meet, if you want them to view it, or if you want them to have editing options as well. So that's really awesome. And so if I just want Goshen Training to be able to view it, that's like sharing class notes. They can look along or whatever. I click send, and now it'll open up a Jamboard for us. It'll invite that person to pop up as well. And then that person can jump in and look at all of these lessons and information as well. It's named the title of my Google Meet with the date, which is really a neat opportunity to then use a collaboration tool and show that to somebody else. So I wanted to highlight that with you today. The other person would see it pop up as a link. So here I am in the Goshen Training page, and it says that Jonathan Rediker shared a jam with the meeting. So you click it, and then that person can open it and see that collaboration as well. So this Google account, is a practice one. It didn't have access, but students and other faculty members have access to do that Jamboard opportunity with you. So you can open that up and share, have a quick collaboration space, or pull up a lesson that you already have out of your Google Drive. So that's pretty cool as well. You can click open whiteboard and choose from Drive, and you can grab that math lesson that I started before with those illustrations, and we can start sharing that with the students as well. So again, either view for access or edit access at the same time, options for people to share that document. Hope this is another great change to your management of Google Meets and how you can share and collaborate with students and build out lessons. If you need information about Jamboard, this link will be available to you as well. Have a great day.